What if every time we send a signal into space, we aren't waving in friendship, but ringing the dinner bell for invisible predators? Why is the universe so silent? And what if we are, in fact, in danger precisely for speaking too much? Today, you're going to discover why some of the most brilliant scientists and thinkers believe that cosmic silence might, in fact, be a deadly warning. For more than 60 years, we've pointed our radio telescopes to the cosmos in a patient and hopeful search, trying to catch a single whisper from the stars. We believed that, in a universe so vast, it would be impossible for us to be alone. And at the same time we heard nothing, we shouted. We sent deliberate messages to potential cosmic neighbors. From the famous Arecibo message, a digital postcard with our biology and location, to Voyager's golden record, a time capsule with the sounds and images of humanity adrift in the interstellar ocean. We've shown that we want to make contact. But this gesture of optimism, this hand extended to the unknown, can be seen through the cold lens of astrophysics as naive, or worse, suicidal. At the heart of this dilemma lies the most famous enigma in astronomy, the Fermi Paradox. If there are billions of sun-like stars with potentially habitable planets, why do we only hear a deep and uninterrupted silence? According to Liu Cixin, author of the acclaimed dark forest theory, this silence is no accident. It's a survival strategy. Imagine each civilization in the universe as a lone hunter in a dark, infinite forest. You don't know who else is hiding in the shadows. You don't know their intentions, their level of technology, or their morality. What do? Speaking is dangerous because it reveals your position to everyone, friend and foe alike. Staying silent is safe. And when in doubt, striking first guarantees your survival and eliminates a potential threat. The inevitable result of this relentless logic is not peace or communication, but rather a tense and deadly equilibrium of silence. The forest remains silent because the loudest hunters were eliminated long ago. And the situation becomes even more unsettling when we think about what we've already done. Scientifically speaking, we have already leaked our position to the galaxy. The first television broadcasts, powerful military radar signals, and even the energy signatures of our nuclear explosions have formed a bubble of noise that has already expanded for more than 100 light-years around Earth. Defenders of active transmission, known as METI, messaging to extraterrestrial intelligence, argue that it doesn't matter. They say that any advanced civilization probably already knows we exist because of the oxygen in our atmosphere, a telltale sign of life. But critics remind us of a crucial point. Knowing there's life in a cage is very different from hearing the animal scream that it has learned how to open the lock. By sending deliberate and complex messages, we are not only declaring that we exist, but that we are evolving technologically at an exponential rate. For any rational predator, that's the signal to get ready to pull the trigger before the prey also becomes a hunter. And here is the most disturbing point. What if we have already been cataloged? Decades ago, when our first powerful signals reached an alien listening post? And what if an invisible artifact is already on its way to Earth? A self-replicating probe, cold and indifferent, could have been launched the moment our signals were detected. Perhaps, at this very moment, it is traveling silently through the vacuum, propelled by technologies we can't even imagine, waiting for the perfect moment to appear. By the way, if this topic has already kept you up at night, you need to watch the video I've left in the card above. In it, you'll discover what might be behind the mysterious signals picked up from the very heart of the cosmos. The dark forest doesn't care about justice, morality, or diplomacy. It only cares about survival at any cost. The cosmic silence may be proof that the entire galaxy already understands this fundamental rule. We, however, in our youthful exuberance, have already broken the pact. Our signals are spreading through the universe like a scent trail for invisible predators. And now I ask you, if you had the power to erase every signal we have ever sent, to wrap ourselves once again in the cloak of silence that protected us for millennia, would you do it?
Or would you still believe that one day someone will answer with friendship? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of the universe, subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and continue exploring with us. And get ready, because in the next episode we're going to reveal an even more chilling cosmic enigma.